Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to turn on flashlight or notification on Android. So I'm just turning on my flashlight in here. So once I turned on the torch, there is a notification in here, torch turned on. So if I turn it off, it is turned off. So I'm heading over to the settings to turn on this option. Then I'm heading over to the search option and searching for torch notification. So there is an option of notifications, torch sounds. So if I just want to turn off the torch sounds, I can just do it from the notification and it will be turned on. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.